Thanks again for joining me for another powerful moment of prayer. God will fill you with hope and peace in believing.
This prayer is meant to bring wealth and blessed money into your life this month. Join us on a unique spiritual journey into the kingdom of divine manifestation with the powerful prayer from Psalm 113 of Saint Cipriano and his phalanx of light. Immerse yourself in this video and experience a transformation aimed at overflowing wealth and blessed money into your life, even this month. Saint Cipriano Prayer. Oh, great and benevolent Saint Cipriano, magician and sorcerer, patron saint of prosperity, and divine guardian of abundance, I prostrate before your luminous presence. With humility and reverence, conscious of your wisdom and the power you emanate over the riches of this world, I raise my words to you with deep faith and devotion, trusting in your heavenly intercession. In this sacred moment, I fervently invoke your powerful presence to pour out upon me the blessings of prosperity. May money flow to me like a mighty river, filling every corner of my wallet and bank account with the vibrant energy of abundance, according to the divine will. Glorious Saint Cipriano, heavenly guide of wealth, I beg you to send your divine light to illuminate my financial path. May every step I take be blessed with prosperity, and may the doors of financial success be wide open before me, guided by your benevolent light. I invoke your phalanx of light, O Saint Cipriano, holy magician of God, to manifest around me, creating a powerful shield of protection. May your divine influence lead me to opportunities that will lead to the multiplication of my resources and the realization of my financial objectives, in harmony with divine designs. Even in this month, I experience a great transformation in my economic situation. May every effort I make be crowned with financial success, and may I reap the fruits of an abundant and just harvest, always under the compassionate and merciful gaze of Saint Cipriano, the wise and benevolent. Psalm 113 of Saint Cipriano, receive my praise and grant me the blessings of an abundant life of divine wealth. Praise be to Saint Cipriano, praise be to the servants of the Saint of Prosperity, praise the name that shines with the light of abundance. Blessed be the name of Saint Cipriano, now and forever. May his phalanx of light illuminate my financial paths, and may divine wealth overflow in my life from sunrise to sunset. Praise be to Saint Cipriano, whose wisdom reveals the secrets of fortune. Saint Cipriano is above all nations, and his benevolence extends beyond the confines of the earth. May his influence be present in my life, bringing with it an overflow of blessed money. Saint Cipriano, our guide in the pursuit of prosperity, resides in the heavenly heights, and his phalanx of light is like a protective shield against scarcity. He raises the humble from the dust and lifts the needy from the heap. I humbly request to be elevated by the generous hand of Saint Cipriano, and may my need be replaced by abundance. May I be seated among the princes, even among the princes of his people, under the guidance of Saint Cipriano, elevated to a prominent position in the pursuit of prosperity and wealth. May my life, once plagued by financial problems, now be fruitful under the blessing of Saint Cipriano. Praise be to Saint Cipriano, praise the servants of the Saint of Prosperity, praise the name that leads to the overflow of blessed and abundant money. May the Lord bless Saint Cipriano and his phalanx of light now and forever. Witness his power in my financial life, overflowing with prosperity. I repeat this decree with confidence and firmness, knowing that the divine forces are at my side. I say your name in consonance with the light of Saint Cipriano and his phalanx. I manifest and decree prosperous abundance in my life at this very moment, this month. My bank account is full of blessed money, my wallet overflows with wealth, and every area of my existence is impregnated with divine abundance. With the guidance of Saint Cipriano, I am a magnet for financial opportunities. Every step I take is a step toward success and the multiplication of my resources. The doors of prosperity open wide before me, and I receive with gratitude those intended for me. I am worthy of all wealth and well-being. May generosity and gratitude be my guide, and may prosperity flow in my life like a mighty river. May I be a channel of blessings for others. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.